Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm pretty excited. I'm going to pick out my new truck. So let's cue to a video of me selling my old truck and saying farewell to that one, my 2013 GMC Sierra Denali. So let's look at that. See you later. Well, she's sold, boys and girls. That is it. That's the new owner just taking it away. Okay, so as you can see, it was probably time to upgrade. So let's go pick out a new GMC Sierra. Let's pick out the color, finalize the options. There's slim pickings right now based on the trim that I want. But let's have a little bit of fun today. Let's take the BMW out in the snow to get to the dealership. It's okay, I got my snow tires on. So should be a little bit of fun. So let's go. Don't like the spinning out? Alright, so part of the reason we're buying the truck now in the month of January is because we need to break it in before we start towing anything like a boat or our holiday trailer. So timing's of the essence, and right now, like I said, there's not a lot out there when it comes to the trim options that we're looking at. But we're going to head to the dealership, confirm what's out there, haggle a little bit on the price, and then make a decision. At least that's the plan. Just going to do a quick Starbucks run. You want a Starbucks? Yeah? Okay. Need some fuel. So let's go to Starbucks. Thank you, my dear. One thing they'll tell you about driving in minus 22 degrees Celsius weather is your vehicle stays clean. Okay, we are here at the dealership, but I'm not going to record the inside and the paperwork and that type of thing. So fast forward and we will talk about what I picked up. You forgot your coffee? No, I was just doing it wrong. Alright guys, we're back home now. Let's look at some of the options or packages that have been picked out with this truck. Or let's go to the website and I'll just show you some of the options that I have coming in with this truck. So let's find AT4 here. There we go. And then let's go crew cab short bed, that's right. Trims, got AT4 6.2 liter. Next step colors, I did go with white. Black, they had some available, but no sunroof or too small of engine. Just really not the extras that I wanted, and I don't want to wait 3-4 months with a custom order, maybe longer. With this one, I got the AT4 premium package, which here shows you all those options. So it's got the high clearance step, I got the 18-inch Duratrax, the driver alert package, so some basics that you would want with the truck at this price point. I got the technology package, which is going to give me that rear view mirror that's also a screen. It's going to give me heads-up display, the bed camera, really some things that I definitely wanted in this truck. Spoil myself a little bit. Comes with the driver alert package 2, and some more safety features with driver alert package 1 as a included option. We go to the exterior. Mine does come with the 18-inch Duratrax. I am going to get some aftermarket wheels, something different to complement these, so depending on the season I can switch between them. As a tow package, you need an engine block heater up here, so that's checked off. I didn't really get any of these other extras here other than the power sunroof. And it comes default with the AT4 high clearance step package. And you can see these other options included. Go to interior, there's only one option for interior with the AT4, and that's the black with the those brown or tan colored accents. I'm not getting the audio system for the tailgate by Kicker. You can buy that separately. If you look here, it says $986 Canadian. That would come installed if I checked it off and ordered the truck, but you can buy it right from a lot of the different GM parts online suppliers for around $700 Canadian. So I'll probably do that at some point. Everything else here is correct. Yep, that's it right there. Go to summary. So here we go. This truck will be on the channel in the very near future. Okay, there you have it. That's the new AT4 coming to the channel. And if you could do me a huge favor, please consider subscribing to the channel. There's going to be a lot of DIY projects, not only on this AT4, but some of the other vehicles in the stable. And your support's very much appreciated. And it's free. Nothing beats that, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please don't forget that. And we'll talk to you next time.